Hello viewers, how are you? I hope all of you are well. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you the English names of 7 days. So let's see those names. Number 1, Saturday. Saturday. Saturday means Shonibar. Saturday means Shonibar. Number 2, Sunday. Sunday. Sunday means Robibar. Sunday means Robibar. Number 3, Monday. Monday. Monday means Sombar. Monday means Sombar. Number 4, Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mongolbar. Tuesday means Mongolbar. Number 5, Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budbar. Wednesday means Budbar. Number 6, Thursday. Thursday means Brihaspatibar. Thursday means Brihaspatibar. Number 7, Friday. Friday. Friday means Shukrobar. Friday means Shukrobar. Okay viewers, keep learning and practicing these names and waiting for the next video. Till then, stay well. Bye.